welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Twitter hashtags in order to promote your brand in a better way and to increase brand awareness and engagement for your business on Twitter. So as we all know that Twitter is a very powerful platform when it comes to popular trends and stuff like that because of the hashtags. Because most of the trends that are present on Twitter and become popular on Twitter are through the hashtags that are being put out there relevant to the topic. And we're going to take advantage of that. So there are two ways that you can use Twitter hashtags in order to promote your brand. The first one is the basic one, which is create your own hashtag. And this is something that's vital and it can help promote your brand and set up a really good brand image. So you can create a hashtag for your brand, a separate hashtag, and it will make you stand out from your competitors. Let's say that if we type something like digital Acetech here, it's our brand name, and there is not any suggestions regarding the hashtag digital Acetech, and that means that it's either a very rare hashtag here or it's not present at all. So that means that this is a good hashtag to use for one's brand. And similarly, by following this process, you can create a hashtag for your own brand, because when we're typing in a hashtag suggestion, comes up like this. See, we have a lot of options here to choose from, and it tells you how many tweets have been posted recently relevant to the hashtag. So that means that if you want to create a hashtag for your brand, you have to stand out, you have to be unique, you have to make sure that the hashtag that you're putting out there has not been used before, and it will allow people to know your brand, and it can allow you to increase engagement towards your brand and to make people involved in the discussion regarding your brand. So whenever someone is mentioning this hashtag, you'll become aware and you'll be notified that someone is talking about your brand. So that is another advantage of creating your own hashtag. Now, another way that you can use hashtags to promote your brand or to become a part of something bigger is by using normal hashtags, using popular hashtags. And let's just say that if you wanted to type in something like digital marketing, it will come here in the suggestions: digital marketing agency, digital marketing services. So you can use any of these and you will instantly become a part of something much, much bigger. You'll become a part of a popular trend, and hashtags are a very, very good way to ensure that. So these are the two ways that you can use to make sure that your hashtags are relevant and your hashtags are being used in order to promote your brand in a better way on Twitter. So go ahead and use these methods to promote your own brand on Twitter.